Hey everyone, Amy from the Stevens Library with some more craft instructions for you. This week we are going to be creating fairy dust jars. So what you will need for this craft is the glass bottle, the glitter mixture I made for you, and some of the vegetable glycerin, as well as the twine and the little bolts to make a necklace. So we start with the bottle. And as you can see, said bottle is empty right now. What you need to do is fill it with water, about 3/4 full, like so. After the water's in, the next step would be to add the glycerin. So you don't need to add the entire amount that's in there. I just kind of eyeballed it. Basically just enough to make it, you may see a little bit of it at the bottom. And what the glycerin does is it just helps the glitter to flow a little easier in the water. And then you can add your glitter to the bottle. Again, you don't have to add the whole thing. You may not want to add the whole thing because it may overflow, but just keep an eye on amount of space left in the bottle. And then once the glitter's in, you reattach the cork to the bottle and you're going to give it a good shake. The glitter will resettle whenever it's sitting still, so you'll have to reshake it if you want it to look like the fairy dust again. But if you're wearing it as a necklace, obviously you're going to be moving around and the glitter will move around with it. So now you're going to add the little bolt to the top, and you just put it into the cork and you kind of screw it in until it's nice and secure. Once that's secure, you're going to use the twine that I supplied. I made sure it was nice and long, but double check it around your neck to make sure you'll be able to wear it. And then you're going to thread the twine. As you can see, I had a little difficulty with one end because it was fraying, so I went to the other. If you need to, you can trim the edges to make it a little easier to go through the hole. And then you thread it through. Double check it against your neck again. And you're going to tie a knot at the top of the thread. Make sure that the knot is tight and secure because you don't want this falling off. It could make a bit of a mess if you did that, and then you wouldn't have a fairy jar, which is kind of a bummer. Here we go, nice and secure. Shake it up for good measure. And there you have your fairy dust jar. Enjoy and have a good day.